Sorkar kapatisi TV. Kabul, ka machine ka balas nakarpang ka ba kamskem, kamstet, kamklan, bat baduna bam umpnya.
Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih ke Sorkar jela. Uba lakmen rumboi ulaong ba Ketenat Puli Putih kan yai trelang bat kanu Ketenat trekam jong ke Sorkar jela. Kenang ban Pynthikna ya ke Jingshngaiñ jong ki Khynnah Kynthei hapo kisau kunro jong ke Skul bat sia Surok. Ha ke jingkran bat kilat patai kubor. Uba rumboi ulaong ru ka jingangnu jong ke Sorkar. Kalong ban yoi om tang ha kisau kunro jong ke Palau Skul. Henry wat ha ki yat ki yang ha Surok bat ha ki limti ki singkien.
We welcome any initiative of the government to see that the well-being of the student, especially the well-being of the child. We from the education department, we welcome all the initiative because our intention is that for the well-being of the student, well-being of the children, more importantly, when I talk well-being, it's not only for education but also in their day-to-day life.
But when you talk about cycle, or how is it when you look at the figures?
See, I didn't have the figure with me regarding how much percentage which affect that. But having said that, as I said that we from the education department welcome all the necessary steps which being taken by the government to see the well-being of the child be in the campus or outside the campus. Because when we talk about the menstrual cycle, it is not only in the campus, it's also at home. So it is, let's take it positively that we are for the well-being of the child. As I said in contribution of the statement, which I said that the government of Meghalaya Education Department will collaborate with any government machinery to see that the well-being, when I talk about well-being, also the safety of the girl child in the campus and in the society as a whole.
Come on Barbie, let's go party.
I'm a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Happens nothing, it's fantastic.
We are the cartoon heroes. Coming from Bounty Land.
Oh my love, I know you want my candy man, and oh my love, your word is my command. Jones, calling Dr. Jones, Dr. Jones, wake up now.
Wake up now.
If you're having a good time.